Legacy Christian Academy is a pre-K through 12th grade school of about 600 students, and we're passionate about equipping the mind and discipling the heart of each student for Christ-like living, and we really believe that this can best be accomplished when students are present in the building. So we wanted to create a way to allow them to be back on campus, and part of that was to create a safe environment.
So we worked in conjunction with ProControl Building Solutions Group to provide our ISO-Aire system to work in conjunction with some of the changes they were making in the HVAC system.
So when we were considering how to safely allow our staff and students to return to campus, we were looking at all components to this plan, and one of those components was having clean air and great circulation, and the idea of being able to bring in a system that could kill and capture 99% of viruses and bacteria made total sense, and that's one of the reasons we wanted to partner with ISO-Aire and ProControl.
What ProControl did is they added bipolar ozone-free ionization at all the major air handling components for the system, and that ionizes the space, but a lot of the existing air equipment couldn't be retrofitted to include HEPA filtration. So that's where the ISO-Aire system comes in.
We at ProControl, we deal in HVAC and the quality of HVAC and make sure that the HVAC systems are working properly. And then to add on top of that, we add solutions like ionization, of course the ISO-Aire, which has hospital-grade HEPA filtration in combination with ionization. And we brought those solutions here to help clean the air so that children can get back to school.
I have to tell you, I am so proud of how Legacy has taken the action position to do something constructive. They are truly ahead of the curve with safety and assuring that they can be open day in and day out.
Yeah, I have already seen the impacts of ISO-Aire, even talking with our staff that are currently present, and just the difference in air quality. And
I've noticed that my asthma is very minimal, and now the air just feels fresh and clean, and my breathing is much less congested, and I've definitely noticed a big difference.
So other schools should come check it out. Other districts could come and see what this is. Products like this are the answer.